Unfortunately, we missed the flag parade, or our filming of the flag parade, because we'd gone over that chip, didn't we? But we forgot we had this. We went walking around like a pleb, didn't we? Let's plug this in, the head cam, and let's see what the head cam saw, if we can find it on the computer. Oh, this, shall we call it, is my pleb cam of the Treffen. I'm guessing it's going to seem much the same as what I saw with my phone, or what I took with my phone. But let's see how long it lasts and see what it films, because this, here it is. I think there's two of these to check out. So obviously when I'm not filming, not filming with my phone, I've put my phone down. This is constantly recording, because if you remember, I strapped it to my head. So, let's see what we find. Basically, you just want to find yourself, don't you? You just want to, oh Reggie, you walked past me, or Reggie, you turned the wrong way, or you didn't have your phone on when you had a look. That type of thing, you know. We're all so I'd say this is the flag parade one. Yeah, this isn't the light parade. So obviously you can see in my hand I'm doing a certain amount of filming with my phone. But meanwhile, I had this thing strapped to my head, didn't I? And unfortunately we haven't got any volume. That might be a good thing, some of you might say. If you can lip read, remind me what Mel was saying. Probably saying you look like a pleb with that camera stuck on your head. I am an individual, yeah, and I'll do whatever the hell I like. I'm a British eccentric, I'd like to think. Yeah, it's what the British do. Here we are. Here's Debbie telling me off. have we got this? So I gave her the phone, didn't I? Here's me filming you, filming me, filming you, filming you, filming me. The camera's still running. Let's try the next one. So here we are. It runs again. So there are, I think you've only got 5 minutes of this or 10 minutes of this. It's quite short. I don't know whether the chip died or the battery died. Tell me if you like this and you want me to wear it in Llandudno. I've done a few walkabouts, P&O boats, the Oceana, the Iona, Britannia. We've done a few head cam videos. It's not the best of quality, but it just gives you an idea. You're watching this on the big screen. You tend to forget you're wearing it. Once it's on there. And they're used to me looking like a pleb. So you sort of forget it's there on your head. Here we are, we're off.